an avocado sandwich. The ingredients you will need are avocado, pepper, salt, tomato, lettuce, and whole wheat bread. First, cut the avocado. Slice the tomatoes and set aside. For each sandwich, grab 2 pieces of toast and spread the avocado mash on the bread. Then sprinkle salt and pepper on the top. Add the tomato slices and the lettuce and place the other slice on top. Yum! Now we will be making a ham sandwich. We will need lettuce, pepper, ham, tomato, and Swiss cheese, and whole grain bread.
Get 2 pieces of bread for each sandwich and place 3 slices of ham on the one end. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Add sliced tomato and cheese. And put in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees.
You can add and spread some mayo and some cheese if you would like, but remember that too much can be unhealthy. Enjoy!